What is up, guys? My name is Ethan. I'm back here with Worldwide RV, and today we're taking a look at this huge Jayco J-Flight. This is the 2024 Jayco J-Flight 334 RTS. This is a 39-foot travel trailer that weighs just over 9,000 pounds. So let's go ahead, take a peek inside, and see what you're getting for all that space. So as you can see when you walk in, this is a super open floor plan, along with this center kitchen island that is squared off on top. And you're gonna get tons of seating. You have a 4-person dinette right here with storage underneath. That also converts into more sleeping area if need be. You have 2-person recliners right here with the convenient swivel trays, along with a 2-person sofa that also converts into sleeping area, and even more storage up above. Here you're gonna get an absolutely massive smart TV with your IRV Technologies radio stereo system up here. And then a fireplace underneath, which is awesome to see in a unit in this price bracket. You're gonna get absolutely tons of storage in the kitchen. You get that 12-volt Everchill refrigerator that does open in both directions, along with a high-point microwave and a Furrion 3-burner stovetop and oven with those fancy lights on there. And just look at all the storage that you have in this thing. As you take a step back towards the bedroom and bathroom area, it really reminds me of a fifth wheel. You're going to get a king size bed, not a queen. Storage up above with those individually controlled reading lights for at night. This absolutely massive closet and even more storage on this side. And take a look at this closet. It's kind of got the his and hers design going. So you have a little wall in the middle so you can actually separate your two styles of clothes. And then just tons of storage in here, along with a dresser by the front. And then you can access the bathroom directly from the bedroom, where you're going to get even more storage. This rounded shower with plenty of space inside. You have a standard RV toilet, along with storage both below and above the sink in that medicine cabinet. This unit to me is someone who's looking for a fifth wheel, but with the convenience in a travel trailer. And although this thing retails for over $67,000, here at Worldwide RV, we're selling it for only $43,741. That's with our 60th anniversary sale now through March 10th. So come on down today and let's get you hooked up in the Jayco of your dreams. I hope to see you soon. Have a great day.